Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist.
Hi, when I was 8 I got invited on stage to help Fran Scott with one of her science demos.
Are you ready, Poppy? Switch on your wand. You didn't use the wand switched on, did you? Well, do so. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Poppy! Oh! The magic seems to like you. You're feeling it in your brain at the moment. Let's go for another one. Is it still on? Pop it on again. Now let's try and angle it a little bit away. That's it. Whoa! That's nice. It's not going to go for your face. Going for your face.
So when I received a fly stick of my own from Timstar, I couldn't wait to have a go. Inside the wand, there is a small Van de Graaff generator that creates a static electricity charge when you press the button. This makes the fun fly stick a great way to demonstrate static electricity and the power of attraction and repulsion. There are a few different experiments you can try using a fun fly stick, including making these foil flyers float. The flying shapes receive the static charge from the wand, which gets distributed along the entire surface. The parts of the shape repel each other, which makes it expand. It should also repel from the wand, allowing you to levitate it. But I want to try something a little harder with my wand. I want to see if I can transfer the static charge into a bubble. Let's give it a go. The trick is to transfer the charge to the bubble before it makes contact with the wand, using something called electric wind. The charge concentration is so intense at the tip of the wand that it ionizes the air around it, and repulsion pushes these away, creating electric wind. I've also found it helps add a bit of glycerine to your bubble mix to make the bubbles stronger. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Why not see what static electricity experiments you can use the fun fly stick for? Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Fran Scott, Stephen Gates.